I'm HVAC Repair Guy. 17 years fixing air conditioners teaches you a lot about portable units. Single-hose portable units like the Petsite PE0677X and Black and Decker BPACT08WT operate under a fundamental efficiency handicap. When a single-hose portable air conditioner vents hot air outside, it pulls unconditioned outdoor air into your living space through gaps. This negative pressure effect fights the cooling cycle and forces the compressor to run longer. That increases your monthly electricity bill compared to dual hose or window systems. Both the Petsite and the Black and Decker use traditional single-stage rotary compressors. Traditional single-stage compressors operate in an on or off state. When the room reaches the set temperature, the compressor shuts down completely. When the temperature rises, the compressor restarts at full electrical surge demand. This cycling creates noticeable room temperature swings and higher peak energy consumption compared to inverter compressors. The Black & Decker carries an energy efficiency ratio of 7.8, while the Petsite drops to an EER of 5.0. An EER of 5.0 is exceptionally low, meaning the Petsite draws significantly more electrical power per unit of heat removed. Over a cooling season, running a low-efficiency unit increases operating costs substantially. Operational noise for both models comes from the internal blower fan and compressor inside the same indoor chassis. The Petsite is rated at 55 decibels, while the Black and Decker is rated at 51 decibels. Because decibels are logarithmic, a 4 decibel difference is a noticeable reduction in sound pressure. That makes the Black and Decker less intrusive during sleep or conversation. Long-term mechanical reliability depends heavily on proper maintenance practices. Both units use basic washable intake filters that must be cleaned every 2 to 3 weeks during heavy use. Allowing dust to build up on the evaporator coil restricts airflow and can cause the coil to freeze into a solid block of ice. Neither unit includes Wi-Fi connectivity or smart home app features, keeping the controls straightforward. Warranty coverage reveals the biggest difference in manufacturer support. The Petsite comes with a standard 1-year limited warranty covering the entire unit, including the compressor. The Black & Decker provides a 1-year general warranty paired with a 5-year warranty on the compressor. A 5-year compressor warranty matters because replacing a sealed refrigeration component can exceed the cost of a new unit. At current retail pricing, the Petsite sells for $200, while the Black & Decker retails for $340. The Black & Decker is the better overall purchase. Although it costs $140 more, its higher EER will save money on electricity. Its 51 decibel sound rating provides quieter operation, and its 5-year compressor warranty offers crucial long-term protection. That is how you shop like a pro.